up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today's video is gonna be about, did you guys notice anything different about me? I'll give you guys a second. No? Okay, it's my hair. No, but yeah, so I'm doing a video on this She's Happy hair. I got it done May 31st, and I purchased the bundles in 2 18s and a 20, and I didn't do a closure or anything. I did my regular leave out because I just didn't want to have to deal with the closure, and like it takes longer and stuff like that. And I was like, my hair is not bad to where, like, you know, it just wasn't bad. So I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, just do some leave out. I got She's Happy hair, and I wanted to get the bag so like you guys don't think that I was lying. But ooh, thumbnail or what? Okay, I was trying to make a thumbnail, but probably won't use it. I have leftover hair. I actually have a lot of it. Hold on. And the girl who put it in, she did cut weft, so like I got some left over. And she gave me her nail too. But I had got my hair done in Michigan because I had went to Michigan for my little sister's graduation and her prom. And because my family lives in Michigan and I live in Texas, but I had went to Michigan for that, and I needed to get my hair done because the outfit that I was wearing didn't go good with my short curly hair. So I was just like, I should do something long and like sleek and like simple. So I just decided to do my hair straight. I went to She's Happy hair, and I got some bundles of Brazilian straight in 2 18s and a 20. And I had Sierra, her name's Sierra. She is literally such a good hairstylist. I mean, like, if you go on her page, which I will link her page down below because she is amazing at doing sew-ins. She does traditional sew-ins the most, but she does a lot more too. But like literally she makes your sew-ins look so flat and so sleek. And that's exactly what I was looking for when I was looking through Instagram for somebody who could do my hair. I was looking for somebody who could do, you know, like something really sleek and flat. I don't like when it looks super bumped at the top, and she did a really great job, and I thought that, like, she's amazing. I was like, I told her, I was like, I wish you lived in Texas so I could get my sew-ins done by you every single time, because like she makes them like so good. So I will link her down below. So like if you are in the Detroit, Michigan area, which is where she is located, her shop is located, I will definitely link her down below for you guys because she does so good. Like if you go through her Instagram, all of her sew-ins are like so sleek and flat and neat, and she does really good, and she does not take a long time to do it either. I think it took her like an hour, almost an hour and a half to sew in my hair, and she washed and blow dried my hair, so it did not take long, probably an hour and a half. But she did so good. Love her. She's the sweetest, and she like made me laugh the whole time. We talked. Like she's not one of those boring hairstylists that just does your hair and doesn't say anything the whole time. She's very interactive, and she's so sweet, and I just loved how she did my hair. She's the sweetest. So yeah, so I will link her down below. And about the hair, of course, let's get into the hair. So of course, the first thing that everybody wants to know is about shedding, and I do not think that this hair sheds at all. Ooh, excuse me. Today's June 16th. No. Today's June 15th. I got my hair done May 31st because I flew into Michigan on the 30th and got my hair done the next day. So I've had this hair in for basically 2 weeks. And I'm telling you guys, like, and I did have this hair for prom. I got this hair for prom because I didn't have time to order any hair from like online. I was like in a rush because I did my prom stuff last minute like a terrible person. But literally it's like, it has not been shedding. I got juice in my hair. That's the only time it shed, in this one little part. I had got juice in my hair like right here, and it actually happened yesterday, and I needed to like rinse it out, and it was like shedding a little bit from like the juice getting in my hair, but it's freaking juice, so what do you expect? So yeah, juice had got in my hair, and that's the only time I had shed. But other than that, you are gonna get a couple strands a day. Like, it's not bad, but it's not to where like, you know, so many strands are coming out every second. And then people wonder about like tangles, like what if I go work out and my hair is down, or like what if I'm at work and I'm sweating. Like when I'm at work, this hair will tangle up a little bit in the back, like just a little bit, but it's normal tangles. Like it's not like super bad to where you'd be like, oh my god, like I have to tie my hair up, because I keep my hair down at work the whole time. I only tie it up when I know I'm gonna get like go outside and get like super sweaty. And if you guys don't know, I work at Lowe's, so I mean I'm in a hardware store, so I'm bound to get sweaty every single day. So basically yeah, so there's not any bad tangles. I've washed it once because I did go swimming, so I already washed it before even a month. So I washed it and it went right back to its natural state. It's really silky and smooth, and I really like it. I liked it when I got it for prom in 2016, and I like it now. I mean, I would only say the only thing that I do not like about this hair is the color, because when I had got my hair for prom, it was black, and now like when the girl had gave me the hair, she had told me that it was, I was like, oh, can I get it in a darker color, because this is super light. Like if you guys could see this like in the sun, this is like brown. I know y'all see my hair, like my hair is like right there, the black, and like this, of course this is the hair, it's like super brown. You guys can see, like you guys see that right there. So that's like the main thing I don't like about the hair. I really could dye it, but I'm just too lazy and I don't really care, because it still doesn't like look bad when you see it. So like it's not to where it's like super noticeable. If it was, I would have just dyed it, but I wasn't really tripping about it. So that's like the only thing I don't like. And the girl had told me it's because of the vendor that they have. Like I think they got a new vendor or something like that, and I guess they just make it lighter, because I asked her if she had a darker color and she basically didn't. I was like, that's fine, I have to get my hair done anyway. So yeah, so that's the only thing I do not like about it. And people normally ask me how I get my hair to stay straight, seeing as though I am natural, and like I live in Texas, so they're like, how do you get your hair to stay straight? This may sound bad, but I mean it's really not that bad. Not that I don't think it's bad, I think it's all right. But I basically take some hairspray, because I was just doing my hair. I take some hairspray and I take my two-sided brush. I have the one with the hard side and then the one with the soft side. Sorry, I thought I saw a bug in the corner of my eye, but it was my bad. But I take the brush with the hard side and the soft side, and I take the soft side and I basically just like spray a little bit of hairspray on there like that. I'll get a little closer and spray it like that, and then I'll brush like my leave out. Like it stays straight. Like how, I don't know, it's just the hairspray is like holding your hair down. So it does not weigh your hair down. Like it's still flowy and it's still fine. Like it's just holding your hair down. So that was my technique for keeping my hair straight, because the first couple days when I had straightened it, it wasn't staying straight, and I was like, oh my god, maybe I should have got a closure or something. But really it wasn't that bad. It was just, I was just like, let me try putting like, at first I tried using some edge control and that didn't really work, and I was like, oh, maybe if I try hairspray, because hairspray will kind of harden your hair, but like when it's straight it doesn't really do that. Like it's still flow and everything, so it's not like your hair is just like stiff and it's just like moving with you. Like it still moves and everything. Like it's perfectly fine. You can still flip your hair and everything. So yeah, I don't think that there's anything bad about this hair. I mean, I really like it, and I don't know, if you guys have any questions about it, ask me. I'm gonna probably leave it in for maybe another 2-3 weeks, because it can last for up to like a month and a half, but I might do 2-3 weeks because I think I want to do box braids or something, you know, for a protective style, and then so I can get my curls back, because I have been putting heat in my hair almost every day, which is really bad, but my hair is pretty healthy. So like once my curls will bounce right back. It's not like I'm about to be straightening my hair for like years, so my curls will bounce back. They normally do half the time when I straighten my hair, so I think that they'll be like my curls will come right back, and I will show you guys. I will probably I might do a video of me like taking it out and like trying to revert my curls back, so tune in for that. But I am going to link the She's Happy Hair website down below, and you guys can check them out. I got 3 bundles for $225, and that's it, not including tax. So I ended up paying like $240-ish, which really isn't bad for some good hair. And really, I could take this hair out and reuse it, but she cut the wefts, which I did not mind at all. I let her do her thing. She cut the wefts. I don't think I'm gonna keep the hair anyway, because I mean, I don't plan on getting a sew-in anytime soon again. It was just something that I did for my vacation, but like I said, it's really great hair. I have no complaints at all. I've had it before, and I knew that it was gonna be good again. So I mean, I'm just doing a review for people who are like so skeptical about going into a store and actually purchasing hair, which is kind of weird nowadays since everybody orders their bundles online. So I was just doing a video so you guys know, like, this hair is a-okay. Like, it is really great hair. So if you guys have any questions, just link them down below, and I will be sure to answer all your questions. I love you guys. Bye.